What's up, y'all? It's your girl Randa G here with another video. If you're new here, welcome. We would love for you to join the family. If you're not new and you're a returning viewer, welcome back, babes. It's so good to see you. So it is Saturday. It is actually July the 4th. I do not have any big plans today. I know for sure that I am going to clean my house today because that's just what I do on the weekends. I clean my house. I did feel like getting cute. I got this cute top. This is actually from Shein, believe it or not. I got this top from Shein. I bought this 2-3 years ago. So the fact that it's still intact, because I probably paid what, $5 for this shirt, but I absolutely love it. It's super cute. It's cropped, has the little twist, and I actually have on a regular bra. Now when I first wore this, I did tape up my chest. I don't want YouTube to think I'm being inappropriate. I'm not being inappropriate. I'm just trying to give y'all the info on the shirt. But today I just put on my regular bra, and I just feel like as long as you're mindful with your movements, you don't see it. You just have to be mindful and just make sure you're watching it. So I have that on. I have on some shorts. I believe these shorts are from Fashion Nova, but they're Bermuda shorts. So y'all can see, I'm gonna probably need to go this way. I have on these Bermuda shorts, and then I have on my rainbow flip-flops, which I'm being real brave. I'm being real brave putting on these rainbow flip-flops because my toes are not done, but it's fine. I'm grown. I had other priorities than to get my toes done, but I really just felt like getting cute today. I'm about to run to Target. Literally just have to get 2 things. We might window shop a little bit because it's in a plaza where it's like TJ Maxx, Ross. We're gonna go to Target. I might stop in Sephora, Kohl's, who knows. Depends on how hot it is, y'all, because y'all know it's hot. Right now I am just switching purses. So I have my Neverfull, but I want to downsize to my cute little Speedy. These are called Speedies, right? Girl, don't get me lying. These were both gifts. Please do not think that I am out here spending big boy money. I am not. I am not spending big boy money. People are spending big boy money on me, okay? Blessed, because I do not want y'all to think it. No. So what's this? Yes, I need this now. Should I do lip balm or should I do lip oil? I think I'm gonna do lip balm. I need some lip balm. Oh, so let's talk about what we're doing today. Like I said, I don't really have anything planned for today. I am going to run to Target to get those 2 things that I need. If we feel like browsing around, we will definitely browse around. My wallet. But yeah, I just wanted to start a vlog so I can have a vlog for this week. I'm telling y'all, I'm trying to get better. I'm trying to get better and vlog for y'all because trying to give the people what they want. But I don't know if this is gonna be a like day in the life vlog and I'll just record today and be done, or if I'm gonna do what I typically do and do a weekend vlog, because I really don't have anything. I truly don't have anything planned tomorrow. Tomorrow is supposed to be like a true rest day. Like I might cook tomorrow, but as far as like having anything planned, I don't have anything planned. For sure. Like today is supposed to be my clean house. I'm about to run to Target to get these 2 things that I need and lollygag. I don't think we're doing anything like with the family or anything, which is cool. I kind of just want to sit in the house, love on my pup, because I know he gonna be tripping when these fireworks start. Hopefully someone in the neighborhood is doing fireworks so me and B could just sit outside and we can enjoy it that way. But yeah, I ain't really got nothing planned for real. So I'm really just going with the flow. Going with the flow and bringing y'all with me. So sit back, relax, enjoy. How much charge do I have on this battery? Okay, we're gonna take a battery just in case. We're gonna take a battery just in case if y'all die on me. Okay, so we have wallet, mints, smell good. I have like my makeup bag, even though I don't have any makeup on. This is all skincare and sunscreen. Thank you. Thank you. I have my phone. I'm gonna bring my water bottle. Okay, y'all. Oh, and my sunglasses because it's sunny outside. These are also from Shein. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, 2-3 years ago, I was on Shein heavy. And I know people like quick fashion, and I totally get that. See, right now I have been cheating on fashion with furniture and decor and trying to get my home together. But that fast fashion it was doing me right. I literally have no complaints. The trick is you have to read the reviews, you have to take care of your clothes, obviously. And I mean, like with anything, you just have to be mindful. You know, what you would do with $80-90 pair of shirts, pants, whatever the case may be, you're not gonna do with this $5 shirt. I know, you know what I mean? Like you have to be a little bit more careful. But I mean, I try not, I don't like to boast, but I look good. I look good in my $5 shirt, okay? All right, I'm about to go. Got my bag, got my stuff. Oh, or do I want to wear these? Oh, I didn't know I had these. These are in here. Hold on. Okay, so we have these. I don't think these are from Shein. I actually think these are from Amazon because they came in a set. It came in these. It came in a green, a cream. Oh no, I think I like this better. Oh, I think I like, oh, this is, yeah. I don't know. I feel like this is grown. This is kind of giving me more like, I don't want to say streetwear, but streetwear. This is more like grown and sexy to me. I think we're doing these. Okay, I'm about to head out. Let's go. First stop, Target. Okay, y'all, change of plans. I drove all the way out here, so I'm still going to get out the car and we're gonna window shop a little bit. But the true reason why I was coming to Target is because I had a Target gift card. Guess who left their Target gift card at home? So don't get me wrong, like I could still go get the stuff, but that's the whole purpose of the gift card, so I don't have to spend my money, you know? So I don't feel like driving all the way back just to come back. Like, no, that wasn't in the plans for today. So since I'm here, we're still gonna go, I don't think I'm gonna do Target now. I think I'm just gonna do TJ Maxx, Ross, and maybe Ulta. And then we're gonna go home and we're gonna get into like cleaning and all that stuff. And we'll just come back here tomorrow when I actually remember my gift card. I need to put my gift card in my wallet. We'll do that when I get home. So yeah, just wanted to give y'all a quick little update. Let's go to the store. Jesus. Okay, y'all, I'm in TJ Maxx. Nothing is really speaking to me. I will say TJ Maxx is not packed, which I am so shocked about. Like, I thought it would have been so packed in here today, but people are probably on vacation, at a pool, or on their boats, which I completely understand because it's hot. I'm not gonna be able to walk to Ross. I'm not gonna be able to walk to Ulta, and I'm not wasting my gas to stop at each spot. Sorry, not sorry. So since I don't really see anything, nothing's speaking to me, I'm just gonna go home. I'm gonna go home and we are just going to finish out our day at home. I'm so disappointed. I really cannot believe I left my gift card. Like, what in the world? So yeah, and maybe that's why nothing's speaking to me. Maybe I'm just bummed out about the gift card because I had a plan and I'm all about a good plan. I did not execute the plan. So yeah, we're gonna head home and finish the rest of this day. Hey y'all, it is actually much later, like 9 p.m. later. I actually just got out the shower and I threw on my PJs. I was no good after that trip. I mean, I don't know if it was the heat or what, but I was just laying around lazy. I did wind up throwing some clothes in the washer and the dryer. I'm actually going to take a load out the dryer and dry the other load. But yeah, not too much happened today. I'm sorry. So this is definitely not gonna be a day in the life vlog. It's definitely gonna be a weekend vlog, and I will open this back up tomorrow. I didn't have to cook. B got us pizza, but I really don't have anything planned. I look crazy right now for someone who just got out of the shower. I look crazy, but yeah, no plans, no big to-dos. If someone hits us up and be like, hey, you wanna go over? Like, we might, depending on how lazy we're feeling. But yeah, I just wanted to hop on camera to be like, hey, how y'all doing? But I haven't been doing nothing worthy to cut the camera on. I'm sorry. So we will pick back up tomorrow. Good morning, y'all. It is the next day. It is Sunday. Having a very slow, intentional morning this morning. Got up, got myself together, took Chandler out, got to sit outside and watch him handle his business. Chandler loves outside. He will just lay out in the grass. So I have learned to enjoy to just sit outside because that's what he want to do. And until I get a fence, I gotta sit out there with him and he'll be gone. So there's that. But just changed into something a little cool. Like I said, I am going to Target later, so I just have this cute little blouse and I put some shorts on again for today. But yeah, just wanted to touch base. I am going to take my towels out the dryer and fold them real quick before I head out. I think it's still like 10:30, 10:45. We're not going to Target till 12, so I have time. I just wanted to go ahead and put myself together. That way I could get some stuff done and then just head out the door. So just wanted to open this up, say hey to y'all, and let's get some little chores done in between, okay? Hey y'all, hopping back on camera to touch base. I did go to Target. I got me some vitamin D, and then I got me some hair oil, and my vitamin D is low, okay? So I really need to make sure I got these. I did have my gift card this time, so very happy about that. We are about to watch the World Cup. Mexico and England are about to play at 6. Right now it looks like Brazil and I don't know who they're playing. I don't know, but it looks like they're finishing up. I did, ooh, come on, find me, lighten up, there we go. I did not take my vitamins this morning, so I'm just gonna take them now. I take a multivitamin, just in case if y'all are wondering. I take multivitamin, I take a probiotic with prebiotic and cranberry. 2 of those, right? I do take 2, yeah. I take vitamin D. Oh, these are soft gels. I love that. So I take vitamin D. Take that one out. And then I also take iron. And then last, I know this sounds like a lot. It's not a lot, I promise. And then last, I take a folate. Because last time I got blood work, my folate was very low. And, you know, eventually me and B want to have babies. So I need my folate to not be low. So I'm taking that also. So that is the regimen. I'm about to take these. My battery is about to die. I'm about to switch batteries. And then y'all will probably see us when the game is starting. We'll be sitting around the couch. They'll be hooting and hollering. I'll be sitting there not knowing what's going on. But hey, I'm here for the vibes. I'm here for the vibes. So yeah. Good morning, y'all. It is always so hard to go back to work after a 3-day weekend. I do not know why, but it is. I am beat, which we did stay up a little bit watching the game. Mexico did not win, but hey, got to spend time with my man. All is well. Now I gotta go to work. So made my coffee and I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. I know we didn't do too much in this vlog, but hit like and subscribe, turn on your notifications so you don't miss the next one. I'll see y'all next time.